on, y'all? Is this thing on?
YouTube, it's the boy Lofton, back at you with another one. Sorry I've been away for a while. A lot been going on. Deaths in the family, birthday, traveling. I did go to Cancun for my birthday. That video coming on my Vibing with Lofton vlogs. It's gonna be another channel I'm gonna go ahead and create for y'all. Give y'all a little day to day. But anyways, what y'all came here for this evening. I got what you need, sweet. Yeah. Keep it on it, keep it on it. On my right side. On my right side, side. On my right side, side. Keep on chopping on it. No, keep it on it. Keep my nugget. Keep my nugget.
Mama gonna take care of her bear.
It's on my right side, right side. Slide, jugging, get it hot. Every time you see me outside, know it's on me now. Can't get caught without my side. Can't get caught without my side. You know my nigga slide, know my nigga ride. I got what you keep it on my right side. Get it on me. On my right side. I got what you Today we're gonna talk about my EDC. I don't know what y'all carry, but I'm gonna let y'all know what I carry on me pretty much every day. I did buy another firearm, being that it's gonna be winter time. I kind of needed something on a more full-size platform, so the next video I'll be getting into that. But you already know what it is. It's a Glock balls. So y'all already know it, isn't it? If you know, you know. #1 concealed firearm that everybody pretty much carrying. And that's gonna be this here. Yes, sir. So that's the 43X. Does have what, a 10 round capacity. But I do carry that 15 shield, one in the head, that's 16. So, you know, it's all your preference what you like to carry, you did. So, that is my baby though. I carry it because of the size, easy to conceal. I can, you know what I'm saying, slide him in my pocket. You know what I'm saying? You really can't really, yeah. As well as I can holster them. And in most clothes I wear, you can't even see it. So again, it's that baby, man. I do got that light and laser on there. You did. So I'm my little baby, man. I did add a little stippling on there myself. It's like skateboard type tape. I got it on Amazon, tactical tape type thing. Can't remember the actual name of the product, but it was like a couple dollars, maybe like $10. And it come with like different sheets that over time you can cut them up to whatever pattern, put them on there. I had it on the back, but it ain't really fit right on there, or feel right as well as to stick the same as it sticks on the flat surfaces. But yeah, man, that's my baby, man. Y'all already know that. That Riga wall right there. You know what I'm saying? Reset. You did? Yeah, that's that baby though. I have learned how to control this thing like crazy. I do want to probably change something to lower the recoil. At some point, I may do a threaded barrel so I can put a comp on there. I do have those, you know what I'm saying, height sights, glow in the dark, you know what I'm saying. I actually ended up dropping this and broke my stock ones and went ahead and put these on there, the Artricon height sights. But again, I do want to go compensator, threaded barrel, and maybe put a Holosun on here. Let me know how y'all do it, what y'all carry. I do got that, you know what I'm saying, monkey nut for that thing. You know what I'm saying, that thing just look crazy. You did. And more so range. Y'all let me know if y'all trust extended magazines in day-to-day scenarios, or you just like to have, you know, extra shots when you're at the range and don't have to reload. That's what I like to do myself. Load this up and just enjoy myself in the range. Putting my life on the line, carrying this like this. Yeah, I don't even know, blood. But yeah, you did. Does come with what? I say what, 2 mags. I know some other Glocks come with more magazines. This came with 2 mags. And then I bought this one, so I have 3 mags. Comes with a speed loader, things of that nature. You know, a little cleaning bristle so you can get in there and clean your firearm. Probably throw a video of me in there actually using this thing, shooting this thing. But again, man, that's my EDC, man. Y'all let me know what y'all out there carrying, you know what I'm saying? Cause gotta stay strapped, you did. So like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for buying with Lofton. We out.
Every time you see me outside, know it's on me now. Can't get caught without my 5-5.